Camera recording.
Hey, Wally. Hey, Wally. How are you? I just had to come by because our neighbor next door, Bob, he took me down to the lounge. Boot scootin' boogie. And those are some good buckaroos there. They were real nice and real cordial. And my Atlanta, they taught me how to do that square dancing. It was awesome. We got in the line. We all did the same thing. It was kind of like this. Just like that. It was a great time. That made me think of a dad joke. What's another name for a happy cowboy? A Jolly Rancher. Have you ever in your life? Later, Gator. I'll see you at church. 1, 2,